Let's throw another CF Moto gripe out there. Been driving this thing in the snow and the ice and the danger all weekend. Out of seatbelt. Why? What's wrong with it? I don't know. I've looked. Can't see anything. Look. Jammed up. Anything. It's not caught up. It will not work. Tugged. One time I got it to feel almost like it was going to work. It's like it's froze up down there, locked up. I don't know. Well, I didn't reckon die because I wouldn't have a seatbelt. Again, just bring you the good and the bad of these things. If it's happened to you, leave it in the comments. You know, we've raved about these CF Motos, but we want to give you honest reviews. So the other day we had a video out talking about the locks freezing up. Luckily I left the key in this one all weekend and didn't have that issue again, but bring you the good and bad. Hit that like button for more CF Moto stuff. Be sure you subscribe. We'll see you.